hold in when I do the slow. I hold the moment, do the slow. I have that moment. After 3 times, I hold that moment again. Okay? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Yes? So right now you guys do all merge together. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. See? You all merge together, not that sharp anymore. This not look sharp. Okay? Sharp is here. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. You see? That look more sharper, right? So I need a sharp. Okay? Otherwise, if you do like this, your muscle not training good. Okay? So